Hello friends, this is Alejandra Gomez and I am doing a quick and easy card where I am showing some of the products that I selected as an example of the starter kit. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link on the description of this one so you can see what a starter kit looks like and what it would be including. Again, that starter kit you can customize to your liking. You can pick and choose whatever you want. I just made a selection of items, and I'm going to be doing some cards so that if you decide to get everything I put on that, you have some ideas of what to do with it. So anyway, so here are the card, all the paper that we're going to be using. And so this one is 5.5 by 8.5. Let me just make sure that it is. See, yeah, 5. I think this one is slightly bigger. I just noticed that. That's what I'm like, oh, let me just make sure. So let me just do 5.5. Oh, good catch. 5.5 by 8.5. And we're gonna be folding this one in half. And this one is Pool Party. And this is part of the, let me just show you. This is the pack that has the animal expedition. So you get three colors out of the same pack, and it is the animal expedition design series cardstock pack, and it goes well with the animal expedition design series paper, which is the one that has all the cute little critters. So I already already cut the design series paper, and you can see it here. Okay, I love this one too. It has the little hippos, and then I have this one gray. So I decided to go with the pattern. But most of those pages have an animal critter or trees or leaves, and then you have a nice cool pattern on the other side. So this one is 3 1/4 by 4.5. This one would be 4 3/4. So let me just make sure. Yeah, 4 3/4 by 3.5. And if you see this, I've already punched a circle out of this with a 2 1/4. Every time that I'm going to be covering it with the design series paper or another piece of cardstock, I try to use the back, because that way I save paper, and you know, no one is going to see it. So I always like doing something like that. Then I have a piece of Whisper White, which is where I'm going to be punching a 2-inch circle out of this one, and I'm using one of those doilies that I picked, which is the pack pearlized. This one is the pearlized doilies, yeah, and it's this one. And you can see there's one side that is it's just like a matte color white, and then you have this one and it has some shimmer to it. I hope you can see it on camera. And then I have a piece of and this is 3/4 of an inch. Now the length doesn't matter because we're going to be cutting it. I just don't know exactly just yet. But you just need a piece or a strip of the very burst. And this one is 3/4 of an inch. And the length, we're just going to find out in a second. Now, as part of that kit that I selected, I put 2 ribbons. I have the very burst metallic edge, which I think is awesome. Then I have the classic Whisper White, and I also have the Pool Party. I don't know if I'll use them, but I'm having here just in case. And I also selected rhinestones, because who wouldn't like rhinestones? So I will be using some of the rhinestones as well. Maybe, we'll see. I just have them here to make sure that I can use them. Now I'm going to be using the rhino, because I love that one a lot. Every time I have my clear stamps, I always put the label here. I don't know why I haven't done it with this one, but I always put it there so that I don't lose them, because most of the time I end up losing them if I just leave them on the case. So I put them on the other side, and it also helps me to see what images go there. Of course, you also have the front, but anyway. So I have these. I'm going to be using, this is block D, and I'm going to be using the Memento tuxedo black memento on this piece of paper. And I'm gonna just put a piece of scratch paper. Let's just ink it up. And I'm gonna be stamping the little rhino. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to be punching out part of it. So I want this section. Okay. You know what? Let me do this again just in case it looks better. Because I might want it to be center. So let's just do that. Okay. Let's just see if I like it better. If not, oh, what did I do? Okay, let me get another piece of paper here. This is why this is on the scratch. I don't know what I did. I think I pressed too hard. Okay. And I'm just pressing firm. Oh, much better. I'm like, what happened? Okay. So now again, I'm gonna be punching out. Yes, I think I like it better. Like so. Yeah. Okay. So now for this part, I'm gonna be coloring with the blends. And if you don't have the blends yet, oh my goodness, you have to get them. They are awesome. Now when you use the blends, you definitely want to be making sure that you're using the Memento ink pad, because these are alcohol based, and so this will help to not run the color into your coloring. Okay, you cannot use watercolor with this. If you want to use watercolor pencils or water, you know, make sure you use the StazOn. So anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the horn. I don't know how this is called in English. I'm thinking it's a horn, but and then I'm using the, what is it, lifter? Yes, I think it's, yeah, the colored lifter, so that it is actually lighter color. Okay, because I don't want it to be that dark. Then I'm gonna go ahead and color the face of the rhino. And I'm just gonna go ahead and color here. Alright, and I always get so quiet. I think like every single time I color I get quiet because I'm concentrating on not going over the lines, I guess. I don't know. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of the darker gray, just to do some shadowing on this section. Like here. I try not to put a lot on the areas that are on these areas, because honestly sometimes it bleeds, so I try to just do it more inside or in the middle of the image, so that if there's some bleeding, it doesn't go outside the line, if you know what I mean. So there we go. And again, I love how it looks. There we go. And then I'm going to be using the, and I'll do the back of the little bird. And I'm going to go ahead and use the pool party for the dummy and the feathers. And then I'll go with the lighter color and then just do the top of the body. And voila. So this is how it looks. Very simple, as you can see. And so this one will go, oh, where's my circle? Yeah. This one will go here. So let's just start putting everything together here. Now I'm going to be putting here the sentiment that says thank you big time. Or here. I think that will be a really cute one. And let me get and I'll get again this. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to be putting this right here. There we go. I'm going to close these and let's see now what are we going to be doing. As usual, most of the time have the idea in my head, but I don't have the car, so I end up changing a lot of the times how I envision my card. So hold on for a second here. I'm going to be putting this on this. Did I set measurements on the designer series paper? Let me just go over it if I didn't, because I know I usually just go by the video. I don't really put measurements on my blog post. But anyway, this is 4.5 by 3 1/4. I think I did. And the mat in Lemon Lime Twist is 4 3/4 by 3.5. So I think I did say that. I'm going to be gluing this here. So let's just go ahead. And again, because you're going to be okay. Oh. You're gonna be covering with design series paper. I do use the mat for my punching, you know. So I'm gonna put it like so. Then I'm gonna be putting this one, and I'll go and put it like so. Yeah, we'll probably put a little bit more just to make sure it grabs more of it. All right, and then I'm gonna be gluing this one, and you can see when you're coloring with the blends, the image transfers. So I always put a scratch of paper on back just in case, because you never know. You never know if it really is going to impact any of the surfaces beneath. So, alright, so I'll go with this. I probably will put dimensionals on this because I love having some dimension. So I'm going to be putting, let's just go with like 3 right now. Yes, I think that will be nice. And then this one will go. Yes, I like that. So let's just cut these. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little B for a banner. Give me 1 second. And I'm gonna be putting it like so. Does that not look cute or what, huh? Yes, I love it. So now, let's just put some snow on this one. I should say, yeah, so I want it here. And then this one, we're gonna pull it out. And we're gonna glue this guy here. And voila. Now, I probably put some of the rhinestones. Again, I'm trying to use what I said we're gonna have as a starter kit. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll put a link on this video for that other video. But in July, July 2018, there is an awesome promotion with the Stampin' Up! Where when you, oh, did I pick anything? Oh yeah, it's here. Where you get a whole ink pad family, which is 10, oh, what am I doing here? Okay, there we go. So I'll put those. You get 10 ink pads on your starter kit, on top of whatever you pick on your starter kit. And the starter kit is $125 worth of products, but you only pay $99 plus tax. There's no shipping in it. So you end up saving a lot. And right now with that promotion, you save even more. Because you get a full collection of ink pads. It's about $67.50, and so you get it for free on top of all the other things, you know. So I'll probably put, you know what, let's just do a double bow. I think it will be nicer. You can see more of it. And so I made a video showing you what a starter kit would look like. And again, you can pick and choose whatever you want. But I thought it would be fun to show what it looks like when you do pickle everything, right? So anyway, so here is, we have that one. Yes, I like that. So let's just put those with a glue dot. So, there we go. And voila, here is the card. And very quick and easy. You can see how great this looks. I love the color combination of these. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Also, don't forget about my monthly ordering incentive, where if you purchase anything through my online store using the hostess code, and it's on every post on my blog at creatingwithali.com, you get the card kit of the month to make 4 cards, and I'll send everything to make the 4 cards. And if your order is $50 or more, you also get the accessory of the month. So anyway, thank you so much. And if you have any questions, do let me know. I'll respond to all of them. Try to help you as much as I can. And anyway, I really appreciate your support throughout all this time. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.